We want to find the best temperature and time level to optimize the moisture content to 26% plus or minus 1%. In the Minitab stat menu, under DOE, choose Factorial, then select Create Factorial Design. Leave the default settings to 2-level factorial default generators. Leave the number of factors drop-down menu as 2, and in the number of replicates for corner point, choose 2. Then click OK. In the dialog box, click the Designs button. For the Factor A line, in the Name column, replace the field A with Temperature. Leave the Type column as is. Enter 325 in the low column and 375 in the high column. For the Factor B line, in the Name column, replace the field B with Time. Leave the Type column as is. Enter 30 in the low column and 50 in the high column. Then click OK twice to create the design. After a check in the output pane for the number of runs, number of blocks, and number of replicates, go in the worksheet. Name the column C7 Moisture. Perform the experimental runs and add the resulting output Y in the moisture column of the worksheet. Open the worksheet with the results of the experimental runs populated in the moisture column. To analyze the design, under the Stat menu, select the DOE submenu, then Factorial, and Analyze Factorial Design. In the Responses field, select Moisture. Then click on the Terms button and check that temperature, time, as well as their interaction, which means temperature times time, are all selected in the model. Then click OK. In the dialog box, click the Graphs button and make sure the option Pair to Effects Plot is ticked. Then click OK twice. Check the statistical results and check the Pair to chart. To validate this model, under the Stat menu, select DOE, then Factorial, and Analyze Factorial Design. In the Graphs field, uncheck Pair to, and under the Residual Plots select 4 in 1, then click OK twice. To look at the model effect on the output moisture, under the Stat menu, select DOE, then Factorial, and choose Factorial Plots. Check the settings are correct, click OK, and review the various graphs created. To find the optimal settings of the temperature and time parameters, under the Stat menu, pick DOE, then Factorial, and Response Optimizer. In the Goal drop-down menu, select Target and type in 26. In the Target field, select the Setup button, and in the lower field of the dialog box, type 25, and in the upper field, type 27. Click OK twice.